at home. Welcome to Kamla Online Learning Classes, children. Look at the board, children. Today we are going to start the part 12, part 11. Teacher name, you all know my name, Mrs. Fatima, class LKG, and subject literacy. Literacy means English subject. Required things you see. Today we are going to start the part 11, page number 21 and page number 26. Okay? Look at the board. Things we require: term book, pencil, eraser. Take out your term book, pencil, eraser. Today we are going to complete the part 11, children. This is the part 11. Okay? After home test, we are starting the again portion. After completing the portion, again we will go to exam. Okay, children? Look at the board. Look at the board. Now you all open your page number 21. Page number 21. Trace and write. Page number 21. Take your term book. Take your term book in the hand. Till page number 20 we completed in part 10. This is the part 11. Page number 21. Trace and write. Activity. Trace and write. Page number 21 you open. Look at the board. Take the pencil in the hand. Come on. Take the pencil. Page number 21. Take out page number 21. Write today's date here. Write the date. Write today's date. Write classwork here. CW classwork. After writing this, we are going to write capital C, small c, capital D, small d. Okay? Hold your book. Look at the board. How I am writing. Be ready with your pencil. This is a capital C, children. This C should touch how many lines? 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. Capital C. Read and write. Again, leave one finger place and write again C. Leave the place. Don't read dirty handwriting. Again, put one finger, leave one finger place and write C. Capital C. We completed the capital C. Only 3 letters you have to write. C like this, children. C like this. You write far. Don't write near. See? Capital C. Capital C. Capital C. Like this. Like this you have to write. Leave the finger place and write. 3 letters should come. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children? I hope you all understood. Yes? Come on, write small c. See in the book. Second line. Capital C, small c should come in only blue line. Blue lines are there. See? Red line, blue line, red line. 4 lines are no. Only C, small c should come in the blue lines only. Capital small c. You should touch second and third line. You should write in the second and third line. Small c. C, capital D should touch red line, blue line. 1, 2, 3 lines. Capital D. Now, capital D. I hope you all are writing, children. Yes. Write again. Capital D. Finished. You all are completed third line. Now come to fourth line. Small d. Small d should touch red line, blue line, children. 1, 2, 3 lines. Standing up line. Curve line. Like this. Standing up line. Curve line. D. Like this. You should touch 3 lines. Red line, blue line, 2 line. 1, 2, 3. D should come like this. B should come this side. No, D should come this side. Okay, I hope you all are completed. Yes. Now open the page number 22. See, page number 22 open. Open the page number 22. Page number 22. See, look at each picture. Write the letter it begins with. With which letter it's starting the picture? You have to write candle. Did you see the candle, children? See, this is a candle. When you will use candle on your birthday, you will use candle. No, you will fire the candle. No. See, with which alphabet it start? A, B, C. Yes, C. Write C here in the box. C. Yes, boxes are given below the picture. We have to write starting letter of the picture. Okay. What is this, children? What is this? Look at the board. Look at the board. This is a drum, no? Write capital D. Okay. D for duck. Write small d. C. C for cup. We completed now, children? You are completed? Now, don't want to see, children. See here. Everybody, see the bit. What you have to do? First thing you have to write the date. Write the date here. Write the date, children. Write the date. Write CW classwork. Write CW classwork. These are we are doing in the class. No, it is classwork. Don't be you children. Capital D and small d is given. Capital C, small c is given. No, you have to trace these letters and you have to match with the picture. See, capital D, capital D. Trace a letter, small d, and this also you trace the picture letter, capital C, small c. Okay. With D, which picture will come with D? Car, dustbin. Two pictures are given, two letters are given. Which letters will go to which picture? See, first one is D. D for dustbin. See, D for dustbin. Draw the line, match it. C for car. C for car. Finished. Okay, children? Now, see, this is a homework. Page number 23 is a homework. One car is given. Your letters are given. You have to trace C. Letters you have to trace. Here you have to trace D. D for duck, no? Small d you should write. C for car, you should write C here. This is a homework. Now turn the page. Page number 25. These letters also trace and match. Which is a capital A? This. Where is the small a? With this letter, capital letter to small letter, you have to do the matching. B, capital B, where is the small b? Here. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. You have to do the matching. This is the homework, children. Write down homework here. Homework. Yes. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Write today's date. Write CW. CW on the page. Write today's date and write CW there. Yes, children? Now we have to read these spellings. First we will do this matching. Okay? Look at the board. See, capital letter, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d. We should match the letters to the picture. Which picture will come, which letter will match which picture? A for what, children? Yes, A for apple. You have to match this apple. B for what is this, children? What is this? B for butterfly. Match the butterfly. C for crocodile. D for door. D for door. Okay, children? I hope you all have completed. Parents, if they are unable to complete, take the screenshot and make them to complete this. Okay, children? After this, fold your hands. We have to learn the spellings. We have to read the spellings. Okay? Look at the board. Fold your hands. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E. Ambulance. Where will you go in the ambulance? If anybody is serious in the house, will call to ambulance. That ambulance will come and in the ambulance they will take the sick people to the hospital. If any emergency is there, we will call the ambulance. Yes, children, this is the ambulance. This is What is this children? When you will wear this coat? C-O-A-T, coat. See, who is he? This is a boy. B-O-Y, boy. What is this children? Did you see this animal? Which animal is this? Donkey. Yes, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Now fold your hands everyone. Fold your hands and be ready. A-M B-U-L B-U-A-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. Fold your hands. Each word will write, will read 5 times. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Okay? Again we read A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. You should know the spelling, children. Why? These words are given for reading. You have to see the picture, say the words loudly. Loudly you should read and you should learn the spellings. Okay, children? I hope you all are listening. You all are repeating with me. Yes, children? Yes? Okay, children? A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Look at the board, children. See, this is the page number 21. These letters are there in page number 21. This is the, write the first letter of the picture, 22. This is the 26 page number. This is the 26 page number 26. Okay, children, I hope you all understood. Homework, look at the homework. Homework, book page number 23 and 25 in term book. The term book itself you have to do. Okay, 23, page number 23, I showed you this matching. You have to do this matching as a homework. And 23, page number 23. Car is given in the card, letters are given, you have to trace the letters. Nothing you have to do, just you should trace the C. D for duck, no? You have to trace the duck. That's all, children. Okay, children? Look at the board. This is a capital C, small c, capital D, small d. Okay? See, this is a candle. C for candle, D for drum. See, D for duck, small duck. small letter. Okay, C for cup. I wrote small letter. Okay, like this only you should write, and learn the spellings. And A for apple, B for butterfly, C for crocodile, D for door. Okay, children. I hope you all understood. You all wrote with me. Don't keep any work in pending, children. When teacher is doing on the board, with the teacher only you have to complete the work. Okay? Yes, I hope you all are understood. You know your homework also. Do it neatly and correctly, children. Okay? I hope you all understood. Okay, bye children. Meet you in the next video.